Hey you guys, welcome to Lisa and Company. Today is super quick. I hadn't planned to do this, but I wanted to do a quick haul video. I know everyone out there has been hauling at Dollar Tree and everywhere, but I scored the most amazing finds the other day, and since I'm about to start using them for some of my videos, I wanted to show you first because I don't think enough of you are hitting this store. So I was in one of the Habitat for Humanity ReStores the other day, and this one actually happens to carry a ton of like home decor and home stuff, and because they get so much of it, they sell it for really good prices. So I'm just gonna go through really quick and show you some of the amazing stuff I got so I can start filming some of this stuff. Okay, so I'm always afraid I'm gonna knock these over, so I'm gonna show you these first. So these are what I'm calling absolutely gigantic hurricanes. I'm gonna use these for a DIY on my porch. This one is super thin. I'm a little concerned about it, but I have a really good idea that I think will really shore it up, so it's good to use. And this one's a little bit smaller. I don't know how well you can kind of see them, but I think these are gonna look fabulous. They're gonna start on the porch for the fall, but I feel like they're gonna end up near the fireplace or something like that for the winter or Christmas. I don't know if you can see this. I paid $3 each for these. $3. Isn't that amazing? Right. Okay, so what's next? We have been having a hard time getting these at our Dollar Trees. These are the Dollar Tree candlesticks, and I have a really good idea I want to use these for. We're going to do my mom's mantle up for fall, and we're going to use a whole bunch of these. So I've been searching thrift stores, trying to get my hands on these. So I managed to score a couple more of these at the ReStore. But here's the crazy thing, and this is why you need to pay attention when you're shopping in a thrift store or the ReStore. I grabbed this, I paid $1 for it, and I was kind of joking around with the person that, yeah, they're $1.25 when you get them at Dollar Tree, blah, blah, blah. I got home, and you absolutely will not be able to see this, but this one says full lead crystal on it. It's not a Dollar Tree. It just happens to be similar, and once I got them side by side, I realized they were not the same. So I had a good chuckle that I paid $1 for a lead crystal candlestick. Just never know what you're gonna find. It's total treasure hunting. Okay, so this one is one of those gigantic, you can put multiple candles on it, but I think this is gonna be something to do with these gigantic hurricanes that we're gonna make. Couple of vintage bottles, which are gonna be amazing. This one is really neat. I'm having a hard time reading what it says on the one side, but the other side says Toronto, and I think that's really neat. We're only about an hour away from Toronto, so having a vintage glass bottle from Toronto, probably from some cool apothecary or pharmacy, goodness knows how long ago, and it's hard to tell, maybe if it's got kind of a really pretty little pink tone, so I have an idea what we're gonna do with that. All right, just a couple more things. I got this super cool clock. It actually says Big Ben right on it, $3. You're gonna see this one again in an upcoming video, but you're gonna have to wait a little bit for that one. I have an idea to do something with a whole bunch of silver stuff for my dining room, so I picked up this silver tray, $2, picked up. This is kind of cool. I don't know if this was from something or part of something. I just liked the look of it as part of sort of a little fall vignette. It's a galvanized steel, $1. And last but absolutely most certainly not least, this gorgeous tray. It's got feet on it. It's super tarnished, so I can't tell if there's any markings on the bottom right now, but we'll get it all cleaned up. We'll have a good look at it. And again, I feel like this is going to figure into our fall, maybe on the dining room table. I think that would look really pretty, but I forgot. I do have one more thing. People who know me are not going to have a hard time understanding why I grabbed this. Those of you who don't, you'll figure it out eventually. I grabbed this as it was going into the garbage. Yep. It's a satellite dish. But it's a really big, beautifully shaped, super smooth piece of material. And I think I have a really cool idea for this. Again, for some starting out with fall DIY, but I don't know. I have an idea for this, and I'm not going to share it with you now, so you'll just have to watch the videos and see what this old, oh, and by the way, they gave me this because this was going in the garbage, what this old satellite dish is going to turn into. So stay tuned. Whoops. Try that again. Stay tuned. We've got all kinds of great videos coming up, and I want you to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell as well, because then you'll know every time we upload a video. Follow us over on Facebook, follow us over on YouTube, and we'll see you soon. Bye.